To set the file app to open the HTML files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Apps, and then select Default Apps. Scroll down the screen, find Firefox, and then tap Firefox. Scroll down the screen, and then on the HTML, tap Default App, and then select app you want to set as default to open the HTML files, for example Google Chrome, and then tap OK. Now Google Chrome set as default app to open the HTML files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.